Sección 16, vamos por radio Australian Cattle Drive. Un conductor de ganado australiano. Un ganadero australiano tiene que ser. Okay.
Hi, and welcome to Bee's Adventures, where we travel the world together. I'm Bee, and today's adventure takes us to the beautiful country of Australia. But first, here are some words you need to know.
Landscape,
Paisaje,
cattle,
ganado,
ranch,
rancho,
drive.
drive.
In Australia, I visited a ranch and participated in a cattle drive. One of the workers, Sam, told me more about this exciting event.
Each year, we need to move our cattle from one area to another, so we have a cattle drive. This is when we ride horses and carefully move the bulls and calves through the flat and sandy land. And carefully move the bulls and calves through the flat and sandy land. And carefully move the bulls and calves through the flat and sandy land.
Bulls, calves, bulls, and...
Australia can be very hot and dry, but Sam always makes sure the cattle are safe and healthy during the cattle drive.
We always make sure that they have plenty of food and water. After the animals are fed, we go slowly so they don't get too stressed or tired.
Remove cattle rápidamente, no.
Luckily, I also didn't get too stressed or tired. It was a lot of hard work, but the cattle drive was such an incredible experience in the beautiful Australian landscape. It almost made me want to move there. What changed my mind? My cell phone doesn't work there.
Moving cows in Australia.
Thanks for listening to Bee's Adventures. See you soon.